Hi guys, Harry here from the Motor Yacht Department here at Berthon. Today we're down in Portland Marina on this rather special VSV. She's a 70-foot long distance cruiser. Let's take her on board. Okay guys, as mentioned, this is MARYSLIM. She is a VSV, which stands for Very Slender Vessel. She is 74 foot long and is a one-owner boat. Current owner built to order this rather special craft. Having had a smaller prototype VSV, the 33 foot, he wanted to go further afield and have better accommodation. So here we have MARYSLIM. She's going to step on board and have a look at the stern anchor. Going up to the outside helm, we have an E120 up here, throttles for the Rolls-Royce jets. And moving forward, we have an identical helm inside. We have a companion and a helm chair up here, and as you can see, over to port there was another seat. Lots of natural light coming through, really great visibility, and just moving down into the saloon and the galley. So MARYSLIM was completed in 2007. She was designed by the naval architect Nic Bailey using a patented VSV concept by Adrian Thompson. This vessel was constructed by the Multimarine Composites of Cornwall using composite foam sandwich construction with kevlar hull, bottom reinforcement, carbon superstructure reinforcement, crash bulkhead forwards, lightweight cord interior and partition construction. So she has 3 cabins, 2 bunks, lots of storage, and into the master, which is forward with an ensuite, separate seating either side, and of course wardrobe space. There's a full Bose sound system throughout. As you can see, there were little speakers dotted around. We have a separate shower, toilet and separate basin. There's a fridge freezer over to your right hand side, your hob, and just moving back out. Quick look up here, facing forward. Right guys, let's check out the engine room on this very interesting boat. So the engine's a V12, she's a 32 litre 1,650 horsepower C32 Caterpillar. She has currently covered 762 hours and her propulsion is a Rolls-Royce 550 waterjet. Her range is about circa 1,800 nautical miles. And her fuel capacity is about 12 tons. She's RCD category 8, so she can pretty much go anywhere. Thanks guys, please do not hesitate to get in touch for reviewing or further info. Many thanks.